Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Education Vibes. Today we are going to discuss the most important topic, or let me tell you, the most searched topic, that is things that we should keep in our mind before traveling to Russia for MBBS. हमने स्टूडेंट्स को देखा है, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्लूलेस होते हैं, उनको समझ नहीं आता है क्या सामान पैक करना चाहिए, कौन सा सामान रेस्ट्रिक्टेड है. So I guess this video is going to be totally helpful for you. So let's get started. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी सजेस्ट यू कि आप अपने पैकेजिंग को कैटेगराइज कर लीजिए. जैसे कि नंबर 1 इज योर डेली एसेंशियल्स, नंबर 2 फूड, नंबर 3 क्लोथिंग्स, नंबर 4 मेडिसिन्स, नंबर 5 डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड नंबर 6 स्टेशनरीज. Actually, they are not like these things are not available in Russia, but it is advisable to save money. It is expensive out there, so it's better कि आप जो भी सामान यहाँ से लेकर जा रहे हैं, आप उनको मंथ वाइज या ईयरली वाइज पैक करके लेकर जाए, ताकि आपको फ्यूचर में प्रॉब्लम ना हो या फिर यू आर नॉट लेफ्ट आउट ऑफ एनीथिंग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू चेक द बैगेज अलाउंस. हर एयरलाइंस का अलग अलग बैगेज अलाउंस होता है. लाइक कुछ एयरलाइंस आपको 25 kgs भी अलाउ कर देती है, या फिर कुछ एयरलाइंस आपको 23 kgs अलाउ करती है. We would suggest you कि आप अपने दो बैगेजेस रखिए, 23 kgs plus 23 kgs, प्लस आप अपना 10 kg का हैंड लगेज रखिए, एंड देन 5 kg आप अपना रख सकते हैं फॉर लैपटॉप. If you exceed a bit any of it, it is chargeable out there. So this is the reason we say that categorizing and packaging in a very proper manner is helpful for you. Let's divide the 5 categories. First category is daily items. Daily items में हमारे आते हैं self care routine, hygiene, the skin care routine. We don't say that these things are not available in Russia, but it is a bit expensive. So it's better कि आप ये सारे सामान अपने एक साल के हिसाब से पैक करके लेकर जाइए. The second category is clothing. Now you need to think about the clothings. You need to first see कि आप रशिया में कौन से पार्ट में रहना चाहते हैं. First, if it is in the southern part, तो southern part का temperature और इंडिया का temperature is almost equal, so you can carry your normal clothes. वहीं अगर आप north, east या west side of the रशिया में रहते हैं, you need to take the clothes according to the winter weather, because वहाँ पे ठंड ज़्यादा पड़ती है. So it is advisable that at least carry 2 to 3 thermocoats, socks, gloves, 2 to 3 jackets. But it is said not to carry much jackets, because आप वहाँ से ही परचेज कर सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग जिससे ठंड वहाँ पे पड़ती है. Yes, it is surely said that it's a bit expensive, but it is really of a very good quality and it can comfort you the entire winters. And one more thing, Indian students Russia में present है, so they surely celebrate some Indian festivals like Diwali, Holi, Ganesh Chaturthi. So don't forget to carry and style yourself with Indian outfits. The third category is food. Don't forget to carry dry fruits, because वहाँ पे ठंड बहुत ज़्यादा पड़ती है. And according to your taste, you can carry Maggi masala, all the garam masala, the pickles. You really can't stay without it. So please carry these things according to your taste and choice. Try to carry few utensils like spoon, knife, fork, plates, cups, क्योंकि ये सब items वहाँ पे थोड़ी expensive मिल सकती है आपको. You need to keep one thing in your mind is that आप sharp items जैसे आपके fork, knife है, please try to carry them in your check-in luggages, because if you carry them in your hand luggages, you're gonna face a trouble out there. Let's come to the fourth point, that is stationery. Try to carry 3 to 4 copies, a bulk of pen, because वहाँ पे जो copies use होती है वो check format में होती है, and we people are actually accustomed with liners or maybe blank pages. So carrying few copies would be really helpful for you all. Also do carry your stick-ons, notepads and all the things which you would be needing during your study period. You don't need to carry any books, because आपके libraries already वहाँ पे होंगे and they have a huge stock of books for you. No matter ये सारे stationaries वहाँ available है, but it is expensive. So why not save few money? So the next category is medicine. It is not said that medicines are not available there, but Russia is not a productive centers for medicines. सारे medicines India, Denmark और अलग country से manufacture होके आते हैं रशिया. So वहाँ पे medicines बहुत expensive होती है. So it is advisable कि आप अपने symptoms के हिसाब से सारे medicines carry करें. Try to carry multivitamins because of the winters and the weather change over there. It is also said that the medicines over there might be of different name but with the same composition. But it is said to be expensive. So the last category is documents, the most important one. It is advisable कि आप अपने documents के 4-5 soft copies रख लीजिएगा और अपने सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स को स्कैन करके ड्राइव में एंड फोन में अपलोड करके रखिएगा। यू शुड ऑल्सो कैरी 30 to 40 pieces of passport size photographs plus visa size photographs that should be 20 to 30. You should also carry the original documents plus the copies of 10th and 12th mark sheet, admission letter, passport, Aadhaar card, PAN card, medical test reports. ये सारे original documents आप जरूर carry कीजिएगा। Certificates like character certificate, migration certificate, domicile certificates. These certificates are not that important, but it is advisable कि आप at least इसको अपने पास जरूर रखिए। Thank you for watching this video, and if you think this video is informative and helpful for you, so don't forget to share, like and subscribe.